Hi, guys and gals. This is Chris Mosier from MyMediaHelper.com. Let me put this up for real quick here. And today we're going to unbox and assemble a Tubstr extra large 2-shelf utility cart. So there's a few of them to. So this is what we're going to build. And the only reason I'm looking over here is just to make sure I'm lined up with a shot. So that's what we're going to build today. All right, I'll just put this down here. All right, let's take a look at one of these bad boys. So really all you need is a Phillips screwdriver. And then it does come with these instructions. It's pretty easy. I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory where those are concerned. So let's get into one of these bad boys. Alright, so this is going to be the bottom shelf. So you can get one of those. But this is the top shelf. So we'll just put that aside for now. And we're just going to concentrate on this shelf here. And then you get these 4 arms. You got the wheels. And then the bolt should be in with the wheels. Wheels aside. All right, so you just take what you're doing is you just line it up here, and then you're sliding it down like this. What I was doing when I put the first one together is trying to do this, and I can't get this thing in here. This is a manufactured flaw, but no, you just you go here and you just slide down. I'm not the brightest guy. And you get your screws. And screw right in. You rotter. You. All right. It's not too difficult to get it in there. You gotta give it a little pressure, but not too bad. Oh, it's kind of a weird angle too. Alright. And that's in there pretty good. Grab another one. And then just slide her right in. Slide her right in. Come on now. Slide her right in. There we go. Welcome to my home away from home. If you watch my other videos, you know this is not my usual place where I would be. This is actually, like I said, my home away from home. My playground, if you will. I might do a video and show you around. There's nothing like national security or anything. So it is kind of awkward because you're kind of doing it at an angle. Probably didn't put that in the straightest, but we'll make it work. As long as it's safe and secure and tight, that's all I give a shit about. And here. All Two more to go. So again, line her up and oops, it helps if you do the right end. Make sure you do the right end. Line her up and slide her down. So I'm going to do this whole card unedited. Just bring you through the whole process. And again, it ain't nothing difficult. It ain't nothing no one can't figure out. Just that awkward angle. You got to put that screw in. It's weird. If you had a really powerful electric drill or whatever, be a whole lot easier. This wouldn't work with a battery, I don't think. Those are pretty tough to get in. But once they're in, they're fucking in. They ain't coming out. Line up, make sure you got the right end. And then line up and push down. Get some coffee real quick. Cheers. Another screw. I haven't screwed this much in a long time. Yeah, so this one's kind of on an angle. It's a little easier if you kind of angle it. I didn't really do that with the other ones. But even if you put it on a little bit of an angle, it will straighten up. It's real awkward. How to do that? This one's a little easier going in. A little easier going in because I put it on an angle. Real famous lost words. Not that you would ever have to take this apart, but if you wanted to move it or something, you didn't have a big truck, not to strip the screw. All right. So we got our four feet in. All right. So we're going to take our next piece. These are kind of the same on both ends. I don't think it really matters where you put the top on here. So what you want to do is this out of the way. That's the top of your cart. Get these feet on. Line them up, push them down. Line them up, push them down. Push them down. Push them down. All right. These are screws. And then let's go to town. Again, I kind of put this one on an angle to begin with. It just makes it hell of a lot easier. Not much of an angle, just a little angle. Makes it easier to work with. By the time you get to the bottom, it will line up. It will go straight. You got no place to go but straight. All right. Here's one. Grab the other one. little angle. See a little angle? Oh, you can't really see it, I guess. Just a little angle, not a big angle. Just a subtle angle, just so you got some room to screw. Sorry, I'm a 12-year-old and a 50-year-old body. All right. Number 3, little angle, and oops, angle. All right. So this is I'm doing the screw. This is my office / desk / the warehouse. It's probably the nicest warehouse I've ever worked in. Don't strip it. You go in kind of tough. All right. And last. I'd be interested to see how long this video is. See how long these take to put together. Of course, I've done a few of these. So, but your first one, if you bought more than one, will take you a second, but. Ooh. Of course, the last one is the hardest one. All right. Pretty good. All right. So we have some coffee. We got the wheels. Pretty simple. Really only one place to put them. 4 screws for each. Got 4 for this one. I think they give you like an extra screw. I always have like an extra screw when I do 4 for that one. 4 for that one. Yeah. And then you'll have an extra screw. And that's typical. They all seem to give you an extra. All right. So, pretty simple, pretty self-explanatory. I might do an edit here. There's a lot of them. So it might take a while for the wheels. Actually, I think I've got a bigger. Ooh, that's really on there. There you go. I have a bigger end. That might probably help. Oh, that helps a lot. All right. So we have completed. So let's take a look. Beam her a little up a little bit, and there we go. We got our card. Yeah. I'll join its buddy over there, and then I got 2 more to do. All right, guys and gals. So that's how how to put the Tubstr 2-shelf extra large cart together. And that's all I got for this one. I'm going to make another video with a multi-camera. I'm going to put together the same cart. I'm going to do it with multi-camera. So for 2 reasons. So you can see it in multi-camera, and then I'm going to go to Pinnacle Studio and show you how to do a multi-camera video. So 2 birds, 1 camera, 1 computer. I don't know. If you like this video, please share, like, definitely subscribe, please. I appreciate everyone who's subscribed to date. I think we're up to 85 right now, and that's a good number. There's people that have millions of subscribers, thousands of subscribers. I try not to concentrate and concern myself with that, but I certainly want to grow the channel. So if you like my content, certainly do that. Hit the bell to get updates. And whew, I had some coffee, a lot of breath there. I think that only took 20 minutes all together to put that cart once you kind of know what you're doing. So very, very easy assembly. All right, guys and gals and guys, I appreciate you as always, and see ya.
First of all, what went through my mind is how stupid am I to actually volunteer for this? It was unbelievably painful.